Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to fix, there was a problem reaching our servers for Roblox 2023, or we're getting a Roblox connection error. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you guys are updated whenever we upload a new video. Stick until the very end so you don't miss a single detail. Now the first thing that we're gonna do is go ahead and check if Roblox needs updating. So head on into your Play Store and then search for Roblox. Now you should be able to see an update right here if you need updating for your Roblox account. So go ahead and update this. Now another thing that you can go ahead and do is to open up a VPN. So go ahead and use Roblox through a VPN. So you can go ahead and download any of these VPN and then go ahead and activate this before opening up a Roblox. So this should help with your connection error as well. And finally, we will go ahead and delete our cache or any data that we have accumulated in Roblox. So let's go into our settings right here. Go all the way down until we see the apps right here. So click on this. And then now we're going to be searching for a Roblox right here. So click on the search on the top right. So that's the one with the magnifying glass. And then we'll type in Roblox. Now, if the app is still running, we can go ahead and force stop this on the bottom right. So go ahead and click on this and then click OK. And then let's go ahead and clear our data or our cache. So go into storage right here and then click on clear data. And then go ahead and click delete. Now, if there are still some cache on the bottom right, go ahead and click clear cache as well. Now, don't forget to reset your phone and then try a Roblox once again. And one final thing is if that doesn't work for all of it, then it means that there is an upcoming update for Roblox. So just go ahead and wait for this and then update your app once again. I hope that you have found this video useful. See you guys next time.